The second-generation Honda CR-V provides good fuel economy, a roomy and practical interior, and car-like handling. For a small SUV, the CR-V feels surprisingly spacious inside. A commanding view of the road is provided by a tall driving position. The instruments are straightforward and easy to use. The glove box is small, but the dashboard has a ton of storage spaces. Armrests are present in both front seats. For simple access to the back seat, the tray located between the front seats can be folded down. The adjustable and forward-folding rear seats provide a generous cargo area in the back. Honda claims that the CR-V can fit 2 full-size mountain bikes that are assembled. The window on the back liftgate opens independently. A foldable picnic table that also doubles as a cover for a sizable storage in the back is hidden beneath the floor carpet, just like in the previous model. In this short video, we will tell you about second generation of Honda CR-V, its problems, pros and cons. And before we start, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Problems. Even though they are not very expensive to replace, headlight bulbs frequently fail. When moving slowly over small bumps, a worn-out stabilizer bar link may make a knocking noise and excessive body roll during turns. In a shop, replacing one link will run you from $80 to $140. The check engine light with the trouble code P134 can be brought on by an inoperable air-fuel ratio sensor. If there are no other problems, replacing the sensor with an OEM component frequently fixes the issue. According to Honda Service Bulletin 816, the fuel vent module, also known as the EVAP solenoid valve, can become blocked or restricted and result in the check engine code P1457. Honda suggests installing an EVAP solenoid valve kit to solve the issue. The valve itself, along with a number of tubes and other hardware, are all included in the kit. At certain speeds, vibration from a worn-out U-joint or center support bearing for the drive shaft may be audible. Either component may be replaced independently. A shop can fix it for $220 to $460. A compressor of an air conditioner may malfunction internally, releasing metal particles that could contaminate the entire AC system. Some system components can be flushed, while others need to be replaced. The cost of the repair is high, at least $800 to $900. A vibration in drive position could result from a bad engine mount. By replacing the fluid in the rear differential with the Honda recommended dual pump fluid, you may be able to stop the shuddering from the rear axle during low-speed turns. Powertrain. Front or all-wheel drive with a manual or automatic transmission are both options for the CR-V from 2002 to 2006. The only available engine is a powerful and dependable 2.4-liter 4-cylinder DOHCI VTEC with 160 horsepower. There is a timing chain in the 2.4-liter K24 engine. Mechanical. All 4 wheels of the CR-V have disc brakes. Beginning in 2005, all trim levels sold in the United States come standard with side and curtain airbags, ABS, and vehicle stability assist with traction control. The NHTSA awarded the second generation of Honda CR-V 5 stars in both frontal and side impact crash tests. All-wheel drive system. All-wheel drive with dual pumps is standard on the CR-V. The CR-V is typically propelled by its front wheels. The dual pump system integrated into the rear differential engages the rear axle when the front wheels begin to slip. It is an efficient and user-friendly on-demand all-wheel drive system. Have the fluid in the rear differential checked if you hear a noise coming from the rear when making slow turns. Use only genuine Honda dual pump fluid if it needs to be changed. The 2004 CR-V owner's manual states that the rear differential can hold 1.1 US quarts or 1.0 liters. Costs range from $120 to $190 to change the rear differential fluid in the shop. Maintenance. Maintain a full tank of coolant because overheating can lead to a variety of engine issues. The engine needs to have regular oil changes to stay in good condition. In the snow, winter tires will offer better traction. Use only genuine Honda transmission fluid when changing the fluid according to the recommended schedule. To keep it safe, have your car inspected on a lift at least once per year. In a drive-through oil change location, many components cannot be properly inspected. Overall, one of the most useful small SUVs ever produced is the second-generation Honda CR-V. A simple all-wheel drive system, a picnic table, and a reliable engine round out this excellent little vehicle for road trips. The majority of the time, the CR-V from 2002 to 2006 has been dependable, but some issues, like those involving the air conditioner compressor, may be quite expensive to fix. The Consumer Reports website currently lists this generation of CR-V as recommended. An ongoing rival is the Toyota RAV4. This SUV is comparable to the previous one and gets good gas mileage. What to look for when buying a used Honda CR-V. Before purchasing a vehicle, have the check engine light inspected if it is on. Check the oil level in the engine. A low oil level may indicate that the engine is using up oil. Watch out for excessive rust underneath in the rust belt. To make sure the all-wheel drive system operates, it helps if you can test it in slick conditions. Test the air conditioner. Given the volume of complaints, it appears to be one of the weak points. A costly repair may be necessary. Have a mechanic thoroughly inspect the car before you buy it. Hope the information was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.